So yeah, MacBook Pro. This is the like 2023. It still holds up. It's a great, powerful laptop for photo editing, video editing, all of that good stuff. I'm gonna leave that here because there's some other cool things that can also enhance that. So right here, you can see this is the Minisopuru. I think that's how they pronounce it. I just want to break it down as Minisopuru. Okay, so this thing is a great expansion on your computer system, whether it's a current one or an older one. Let's have a look at the top-down shot here, and we'll throw that. So what you're going to do is it does come with a power supply to power, just give it more power so you're not running it off of your computer system. And you're going to charge up your computer through that, so it's charging. And also you have Ethernet, so you can plug in Ethernet. It has 3 display points. So you have an HDMI as 1, you have a DP out as 2, and if you wanted a third display, you can do HDMI or a DP, just like that. So you can pick and choose. So 1 display, 2 displays, 3 displays, whatever you want. On the other side, you can see you have a USB 3.2. So you have 2 USB-A's basically, and a USB-C, which is a 3.2, and then you have 2 USB-A's, which are 2.0, and you have an audio jack as well. That's like, it's sorry, we're trying to focus here, but it's input and outputs, so it's headphone and microphone that can plug into that. It's great quality. It's got a little bit of ventilation if it needs it. It's got nice rubber feet, so it won't slide around on your desk. You can have everything plugged in. It looks really nice next to the computer. Kind of has that same vibe. So.